It's just easy to have different colours. You could have, it could be that could be green, that could be red. It's just the colours make it easier to identify roads. You could have the same.
Where have you been? In
Me?
terms of the furthest or
on this boat?
longest, the longest trip that you've been on.
On this one, I've been about half the UK. So Glasgow down to Dublin, and then Falmouth round to Ipswich. So yeah, that's from the UK. And then I've also been from here down to Spain. I've been from here, and then I've been Madeira down to Tenerife, Portugal, all the way down to Tenerife. On this boat, and then across the Channel numerous times. And then my other work I do, I've been across the Atlantic, all around Europe, around there, Croatia. I was in Croatia last week. I got back yesterday morning.
Wow.
Sardinia, Croatia, Caribbean. I did lots of work
well to be
The Caribbeans.
today.
Yeah. So I've been in Croatia for 30 degrees until Sunday.
Gosh.
And now I'm back to here doing this in 10 degrees.
And this has gone around the world.
This has been around the world several times.
Wow.
Yeah.
I remember when they went off, because they went off from Southampton.
Right. Okay. Yeah. 22 metres, 72 feet in length, 97 feet from the mast. Very high on you up there.
No way would I.
97 feet. I don't know who put it on.
Oh, we're just being
What was the round the world cruise? What was the number?
When it was racing, it had we only have 50, we can do 16. Technically, we can do 17. We can do 16. It used to be 18.